Ooh, so listen, I'm finna give y'all the full recipe to the pink pasta with chicken tits that I made previously, okay? This gonna go by fast, so I'm gonna need y'all to listen. So I'm gonna start off with 1.2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken titties, and I did wash these. If you don't wash them, then that's your business. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, because it ain't a recipe without the garlic. Y'all should know that by now. 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of adobo without the pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in there. I'm gonna mix that all up. Now in a pan on medium high heat, I'm gonna go ahead and drop them chicken titties in there, okay? I'm gonna let that cook for about 4 minutes, all right? It's real thin, so it's gonna cook fast. It's only gonna take about 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna remove that from the pot. Now while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the penne ready. Now this is about 8 ounces of penne pasta. I did put a little oil in the water to keep it from sticking. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. So for the sauce, 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, because you can never have too much garlic, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1.5 cup of marinara sauce of your choice, whatever marinara sauce you want to use. Then I'm gonna season it a little more with some complete seasoning, some fine sea salt, and some black pepper for taste. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with 1.5 cup of the half and half. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken titties back in there. I'm gonna use some 1 cup of fresh tomatoes for color because I thought it looked pretty. Then I'm gonna add that cooked penne pasta back in there, and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more salt and black pepper because it can never be too much seasoning. Well, yes, it can, but this needed a little bit more seasoning. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese in there. Mix that up all good. Then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of spinach in there. Now you gotta use a lot of spinach because y'all know spinach like to disappear when it cooked down now. So be generous with the spinach. And now that's what it looked like when it's all done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plate this in a pretty plate. I'm gonna add me a couple of, spoons of that pasta in there, however much you want. I don't eat a whole lot, so I didn't put a lot on my plate. You can eat however much you want. That's your business. Then I'm gonna put some grated Parmesan cheese in there, and of course some fresh parsley for a little razzle dazzle. Okay. Now this recipe is gonna be in the description as well as the comment section. So if you like this recipe, please leave a comment, like, and share.